Welcome to the podcast on data visualization tools and techniques. The podcast is part of the data analytics series. The current podcast focuses on the workflow that should be adopted to achieve aesthetical data. The prime focus is on transforming complex data into insightful, accessible, and engaging visuals that communicate key messages clearly. The current podcast is created by Jitendra Tomar, an academician and experienced training consultant with a passion for knowledge sharing and skill development. With years of expertise in education, corporate training, and professional development, he intends to bring insightful discussions and valuable perspectives to the learners. This podcast is designed at JT Design Studio, a creative hub committed to producing high-quality, engaging, educational content that resonates with learners and professionals alike. Creating beautiful and effective data visualizations requires a structured workflow that ensures accuracy, clarity, and aesthetic appeal. A well-planned approach helps in transforming raw data into compelling insights that are easy to understand. By following key steps, from defining objectives to refining the final design, we can ensure that our visualizations are both visually engaging and functionally meaningful. Let us cover each step in a sequence. The first step in the workflow is to define objectives. Before creating a visualization, it is essential to clearly define its purpose. Identify the key question the visualization aims to answer and the target audience it serves. Whether the goal is to compare trends, highlight insights, or influence decisions, a well-defined objective keeps the design focused and impactful. The second step is data preparation. Accurate and reliable data is the foundation of any great visualization. Clean the dataset by removing inconsistencies, handling missing values, and standardizing formats. Well-prepared data ensures that the final visual representation is truthful, meaningful, and free from misleading distortions. The third step in the workflow is sketch the design. Before using visualization tools, create rough sketches or wireframes to map out the layout, hierarchy, and key elements. This step helps in organizing charts, labels, legends, and annotations while ensuring that the flow of information is intuitive. A well-structured sketch simplifies the development process and enhances clarity. The next step in the workflow is to develop the visualization. Using appropriate tools and software, convert the design into a polished visualization. Follow best practices such as using the right chart types, maintaining a balanced color palette, and ensuring readability. Whether using Tableau, Power BI, Python, or D3.js, the development phase brings the concept to life with data-driven precision. And the last step of the workflow to achieve aesthetic visualization is to iterate. No visualization is perfect on the first attempt. Gather user feedback, test usability, and refine the design based on clarity, engagement, and accuracy. Iteration ensures that the visualization effectively communicates the intended message while maintaining both aesthetic appeal and functional clarity. Following a structured workflow ensures that data visualizations are not only visually appealing but also meaningful and accurate. By defining clear objectives, preparing data properly, designing thoughtfully, and iterating based on feedback, we create visuals that enhance decision-making and storytelling. A refined workflow leads to beautiful, insightful, and impactful data representations. Beautiful data visualization is about creating a compelling visual story that transforms raw data into actionable insights. It involves more than just making data look attractive, it's about conveying complex information in a way that is easy to understand and engaging. By combining thoughtful design, accurate representation, and audience-centric communication, you can create visualizations that resonate with viewer. Effective visualizations simplify complex concepts and emphasize key insights, capturing attention while guiding decisions. When executed well, beautiful data visualizations become powerful tools for storytelling, decision-making, and driving meaningful change. This brings us to the end of this podcast on data visualization tools and techniques covering the importance of data aesthetics to transform complex data into insightful, accessible, and engaging visuals that communicate key messages clearly. The podcast is part of the Data Analytics series. Thanks for joining, and always remember, learning is an art and is a lifelong scholastic activity. Hope to be with you in some other session, some other time. For more academic content on various subjects, remain connected.